Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in any browser. Let's get started. What you need to do is open your browser. Open Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Any browser works. Just type chat.openai.com. If you already have an OpenAI account, sign in. New user, just create an account. It's quick and free. And now you can start chatting. You'll land in a simple chat interface. Now just type your questions. For example, explain gravity simply, summarize the article, or write a caption for my travel post. You can also use ChatGPT in mobile browser. It works the same way, no app needed. Just be clear and specific with your prompts for better results. It's like texting your smartest friend. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.